Hello and welcome. This is week 16, sorry, of phonics. And today I think what we're going to study is very easy and straight to the point. The letter we're going to study today is letter K. Now, those of you who know and are familiar with the sounds, we know that the letter K has the same sound as the letter C, okay? So C and K all have the K sound. You say it like you feel it in your throat, like K, 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 not ka, because if you say ka, that means K and A, all right? But the K alone is supposed to be K, K, K. I know what you're going to hear in the video is a little bit different, but never mind it. Just go with what I'm telling you. K sounds like K, 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 K. All right? So let's go ahead and practice the sounds and go on with the lesson.
Ka. 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 Ka.
All right. Now, maybe just add one more thing. How we write the big K and how we write the small K, they're almost the same. You just have to make it slightly bigger and slightly smaller. It's not like A, it's not like B, it's not like D. C and K, how you write the big one and the small one is all the same. Now, quickly, let's go to another game and then see. What does it say? It says, look and put a tick or a cross. Okay, which of these has k, k? Number one, koala, koala. If you can repeat, koala. Number two, jelly, jelly, jelly. Number three, kitten, kitten, kitten. Number four, kangaroo, kangaroo, kangaroo. Number five, igloo, 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 igloo. And number six, ink, ink, ink. So I'm going to give you a few minutes to see which one do you think has the k, k sound. Remember, the k can be at the beginning or it can be at the end. Let's check the key. So we see this one is k, k, koala, k, k, kitten, k, k, kangaroo. Now, when I was teaching, I did check this one because it has the k at the end. But this one, these people, they decided to make it wrong. I think the instruction is a little bit confusing, right? Look and put a tick or a cross. Any picture that has k, k, ink, you see it here, it has the k. So if you had ticked this one, I would still leave it as a correct one, okay? Because it has the k at the end. All right. Today's lesson, we're going to stop there, and I hope you've enjoyed it. You can go and practice more and more and more and more about the k sounds.